Welcome back, everyone. So, today we are going to continue our discussion. This is part 2 video. I'm going to put the part 1 link in the description. So, why delay? Let's get started. In the previous class, we are done with the first technique. Now, we are going to start from second. In this technique, we are going to learn how to multiply two numbers. In those two numbers, one of the number being one number in between 11 to 19. So, let's start. So if you observe here, I want to multiply 1,25,694 with 14. So out of these two numbers, one number is obviously in between 11 and 19. So we can apply the second technique. So the first thing that you need to do here is add a 0 before the number. So whatever the number that you want to multiply, add a 0 before the number. Then you have to do like this. Every time you need to multiply the next number and you have to add the previous number like this. So let us see here. So the first step is common. You just need to multiply the first two digits, that is 4 and 4, that is 16. You have got 1 as carry. From next step onwards, you have to multiply the next number. Then you have to add the previous number. That means multiply these two. 4 nines, 36. Add the previous number 40 and add the carry. You got 41. Now again, multiply the next number, add the previous number and carry. So 4 6, 24 and add the previous number 24 plus 9, 33 and add the carry plus 4. You got 37. Okay, next you have to repeat the same process until the end. Again, multiply with 5 the next number. 4 5 is 20. Add the previous number 20 plus 6 26 and carry, which is 29. Next again, 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. Again the next step, 4 1 is 4, plus 2 6, plus 1 7. 0 4 into 4 equals 0, plus 1 is 1. That's it. This is going to be our final answer. We will solve one more problem so that you will get better idea. So observe the second one. So you have to do like this. You have to multiply the next number and you had to add the previous number and add the carry also if there is any. For example, see here. First of all, you need to multiply the first two digits. 2 4s 8. If you got the carry, keep it aside and add in the next step. If you don't have the carry, no need to worry. Now from this step onwards, you have to multiply with the next number and add the previous number. For example, here next number is 0. So multiply this 2 with 0. 0 into 2 is 0. Add the previous number, which is 4. So plus 4. You just need to write it here. Here we don't have any carry, so no need to add anything. Again, multiply with the next number, add the previous number. 2 ones are 2. Plus 0 is 0. So you got only 2 here. Next, 2 8s, 16. Plus 1 is going to be 17. Just write 7, keep the 1 aside. Next, 2 5s 10. 10 plus 8, 18 plus carry, 19. 1 is again carry. Next, 2 4s 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. Keep the carry 1 here. But I told you in the previous problem, before continuing with the original problem, you have to add a 0 here. Now continue the step. 2 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is going to be our final answer. So I will just repeat one more time. Here what you need to do here is every time the first step here is going to be like this. You have to add a 0, okay, on the left side. That's the first step. So from second step is like this. You have to multiply the next number and you have to add the previous number as well as the carry. You have to continue like this until you reach the last digit. That's it. I hope you are clear with this method. We are moving on to the next one. Yeah. The next technique in our multiplication shortcuts is complementary numbers. Complementary numbers in the sense, if you add the units places, you are going to get the sum as 10. And the number in the tens place should be equal to the same number. That means observe here, if you add 4 and 6, you are obviously getting 10, and the number in the tens place is same, like that. In that, what you need to do here is simply multiply these two. 6 into 4, 24, write it here. Multiply the tens place number with the next number. Just write it here, 5, 6, 30. That's it. That's going to be your final answer. I will repeat once again. Simply multiply the numbers in the units places. 2 8s, 16. Multiply the tens place number with the next number. 3 4s, 12. This is going to be your final answer. Let's continue. So let us take, you got a number which is not a complementary number, which is not neither to 50 or 100. Okay, not one of the digits is in between 11 and 19. Then what you are going to do? For those kind of numbers, we are going to use this technique. This is actually called IXI technique. In this case, what you are going to do is you are going to multiply in the same order from right to left. That means IXI. In this, the first digit is I. That means you have to multiply the starting two numbers like this, 4 and 6. 4 6 are 24. Keep 2 aside. Next, you have cross. That means you have to multiply these two. 2 into 6 and 8 into 4. You have to do like this. 2 into 6, 1 cross, plus 8 into 4. Add a carry if there is any. So, 2 6, sorry, this is 2 6. 2 6 are 12 and 4 8s are 32. And there is a carry which is 2. Just add all of them. Okay, 44 plus 2, 46, right here. Next, you got straight line again. So, multiply these to this side. 2 8s, 16. 16 plus 4 is going to be 20. That's your final answer. I will give one more example so you will get better idea. See here, IXI. First, you need to take I. That means first these two. 4 6 are 24. Keep 2 aside. Then you have to take X. That means you have to do like this. 3 into 6 plus 6 into 4 plus carry. That means 3 6 18, 4 6 24, and there is a carry 2. So 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 24 44. Right, 4 here and 4 here. Again you got a straight line. That means these two. 3 6 18, 18 plus 4 is going to be 22. This is your final answer. So first units place digit, then cross multiply, again tens place digit. You have to do like this. Then you will get your final answer. For explanation purpose only, I am writing everything. You can calculate these kind of small calculations in your mind. Okay. Let's move on to the next technique. You are going to apply the same IXI rule for two 3-digit numbers. So the pattern is going to be like this. IX star XI. You can get the answer in a single line. So you have to go from right to left. What you got here? First of all, you got a straight line. That means you have to multiply these two. 8 2s are 16. You got 1 here. Next one is a cross. Cross means these two. You have to multiply 2 and 2 and 6 and 8, and you have to add the answers. That means that you have to do like this. 2 into 2 plus 6 into 8 plus carry. Okay. So we got 4 here and 48 here, and there's a carry 1. So which is 52 plus 1, 53. You got 5 as again carry. Next you have star. Star means these two, and these two. I will write here. First of all, extremes 1 and 2. Add to the next extremes 1 and 8. And in the middle terms. So 1 into 2, 1 into 8 and 2 into 6. It's like a star. And you have to obviously add the carry here. Okay. So 2 plus 8 plus 12 plus 5. 10, 22 and 5, 27. You got to write 7 here and 2 as carry. Next again you have cross. This time these two, like I will write, change the color, you'll get better idea. This time these two. Again 1 into 6 plus 1 into 2. 6 plus 2 is 8 and you got 2 as carry. 8 plus 2 is going to be 10. So 1 again you got carry. And finally we have a straight line, so simply multiply these two. 1 into 1 is 1 and you got a carry, which is total 2. That's going to be our final answer. So for your understanding, I am going to give you one more example. So we have to solve like this. IX star XI. Okay, you have to come from right to left. Let's go with this one. The first one is I, that means straight line. 3 eights, 24. Take 2 as carry. Next, you have to do cross. 7 eights, 56. 4 threes, 12. And there is a carry 2. Okay, you got how much? 70 here. So 0 here, 7 as carry. Next, star. See, understand star is like this: extremes, extremes, and a middle. Okay, so you got 1 into 8, 8, 1 into 3, 3, 7 fours, 28, and there is a carry 7. Okay, 10 and 16. You got 26 here, total is going to be 46. So, like 4 as a carry. Next, once we are done with the star, next one is again cross, but this time these two terms 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 4 is going to be 15. You got 1 as carry. Again, straight lines 1 into 1 is 1, and there is a carry plus 1. Obviously, this is going to be 2. This is going to be our final answer. I hope you got some idea. Let's move on to the next technique. Now let us take, you come across these kind of multiplications, and they want you to mark the answer exactly. Obviously, if you try these kind of problems in calculator, even though you have calculator, it's not possible to give them, because in our calculators they are going to show in terms of 10 powers. Okay, so it's not possible to find out the exact answer. So the first technique that we are going to check is unit digit. Unit digit in the sense, you just need to check the last digit. For example, see here, 143 multiplied by 157. What we are going to do here, we are going to first multiply 3 into 7. 3 sevens, 21. Then you are going to multiply the remaining number, you will get here. Then you have to do the multiplication with 5, you will get here. Then you have to do the multiplication with 1, you will do it here. That means every time you are going to leave a place and you are going to do the next multiplication. At the end, you are going to add all of them. That means that whatever the unit digit in the first product, that is going to be the unit digit in the entire answer. We are going to check that one. So see here, if you multiply these two, for example, so 4 6 are 24, you are going to get 4 at the end. And the remaining number is going to be somewhere here. Next, what you are going to do, you are going to multiply this number with the next number. Obviously, the first multiplication is going to be 4 and 8. So 4 8s, 32, you are going to get 2 at the end. Again, you have to multiply 2 with the next number. 2 ones, 2, then 2 6, 12. So the last digit of your answer is going to be 2. So that means that it doesn't matter whatever the number that is before 2. The last digit should be 2. So the only possible option is A. I'm repeating once again. You need to multiply the last unit digits. That means 4 into 6, you are going to get 24. That's the last digit. Again, multiply this with the next number's last digit. 4 8s, 32. Okay, then 2 with 1, 2. And with product is next number, 2 6, 12. So the last number is going to be 12. That's only satisfied by option A. So that's going to be your answer. Like this, we'll check one more time. 4 into 6, 24. 4 into 8, 32. 2 into 1, 2. 2 6, 12. If you observe here, the last digit should be 2. But here the problem is, we're having 3 options that are ending with 2. In these kind of cases, we are going to go with root digit method. Let me explain first what is meant by root digit. For example, if you want to find out the root digit of 123, simply add 1 plus 2 plus 3. The number where 6, we are going to call it as root digit. For example, you got like this, 9 8 9. Then what will happen? 9 plus 8 plus 9. Okay, 18 plus 8, which is going to be 26. Again, you got a 2-digit number. Simply add both of them and convert them into a single digit number. This is the root digit of 989. That's it. So what is the use of this? I will tell you. For example, let us take, I want to add 43 and 52. Add both of them. What should be the answer? 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 plus 4 is 9. 95 should be the answer. Now, instead of adding the original numbers, add the root digits of the number. 4 plus 3 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. How much you got here? 7 plus 7, 14. 14 means 1 plus 4 again, 5. If you check the answer's root digit, that should be also 5. See here, 95. 9 plus 5 is 14. 4 plus 1 is again 5. So, the original sum as well as the root digit sum is going to be the same one. So, you just need to compare and check which of the following option is having the same root digit? I will give better examples. See here. For example, 123, 146, 157. I want to add all these numbers. So instead of adding the original numbers, add the root digits. 1 plus 2 plus 3, you got 6. 1 plus 4 plus 6, you are going to get 11. 11 means 1 plus 2 again, 2. Okay, next 1 plus 5 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. 3 plus 1 is again 4. So your root digit sum is 12. 12 means again you should have 3. Now you just need to check for the options which are having root digit as 3. Let's find out. 9 plus 7, 16, 12, 4. Just find out the root digit of the one original answer. This should be also equal to 3. Check once. This you got as 12. 12 means 1 plus 2 equal to 3. See here. The root digits, sums root digit as well as original numbers root digit is going to be the same number. You just need to find out that one. The same technique can be applied to multiplication also. For example, see here, 21 and 32. Let us take, I want to multiply both of them. So if you multiply 21 and 32, you are going to get 672. Okay, instead of doing the original multiplication with the original numbers, what I am saying is multiply with the root digits. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. Multiply these two. 3 5s 15, so 5 plus 1 is 6. So whichever the option having a root digit as 6, that's going to be our final answer. See this one. For example, let us take, we're having 672 in the options. Simply find out root digit. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 means 1 plus 5 is 6. See here. The root digit is same. So that's your final answer. And the advantage here is adding any number to 9 is going to give you the same answer. That means 9 plus 5, the root digit is going to be 5. 9 plus 7, the root digit is going to be again 7. That means you can simply ignore the 7 in the problem. For example, 721 multiplied by 632. See here, 7 plus 2 plus 1. How much you are getting actually? 10. 10 means 1 plus 0 is 1. Instead of doing that one, simply cancel sum of 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. So simply take the remaining number. Again, 6 plus 3 plus 2. You are going to get 11. 11 means 2. Instead of adding like this, simply ignore 9 sum. Then take the remaining number, you will get the same answer. Okay, we are going to do that one here. See here, 3 plus 2 plus 4. 3 plus 2 plus 4 means you are going to get 9 here. Again, 7 plus 2 you can ignore, you can take 6. Okay, and again, if you want to do like this, like 8, then again 4 plus 2 plus 1 is going to be 7. Nice. Then you can have 8. If you want to multiply, you can multiply all those numbers. Otherwise, you can again multiply them. Again, you can take the root digits. For example, 9 6, 54. Again, 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay. Again, multiply these two. You'll get the answer. Again, convert them into root digit. Okay. But the advantage here is, if your one of the number is 9, multiply any number with 9, you are always going to get 9 as the root digit. That means that due to any reason, if you got 9 in your product, no need to do the calculation, you always get 9 as the answer. So you just need to check the options which is having 9 as a root digit. Okay, before this one, I will give one more example. For example, if I want to multiply these numbers, what I am saying is simply add all of them. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Cancel 9 sum and take the just remaining number. Okay. Again, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Multiply these numbers. 6 5 is 30. 30 means 3. Just multiply with 6. 18. 18 means 1 plus 8, 9. So, for the answer, the root digit is going to be 9. Let us check, is it right or not? 123 multiplied by 257 multiplied by 123. The answer is 3888153. So 8 and 1 9 cancel. So let's check the remaining numbers. So 3 8 8 and this is also 8. 24 plus 3 27. 2 plus 7 is 9. Check here. That's it. You can do like this. Now for our problem we got the answer. So let's go through it once. Okay. First one, we can simply cancel the 9 terms. Let us see. 2 is here. 7 is here. 9 is here. Okay, we're done with 9s here. 5 is here, 4 is here, 9. Again, 6 is here, 1, 2 is here, 9. So 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. That means 8 plus 1 is 9. You got 9 here. Anyway, for you, I will check the remaining options also. Anyway, this can't be our answer because last digit is different. Now 9 here, 7, 2 here, 4, 4, 1, 9 is here, 6 plus 3, 9 is here, 5 plus 4, 9 is here. We left with only 7. So for this one, root digit is 7. Go to the next one, 9, 7, 2 here, 4, 4, 1 here, 6, 3 here, 7, 2 here. So 5 plus 1 is just 6. So obviously our answer is option A. You can find out like that. That's our root digit and unit digit methods. So with this, we are done with calculation part. Okay. The next topic that we are going to discuss is number systems. Okay. Thank you. This is Ashok Kumar Bandi signing off.